Hello students, in this lecture we will see straight line. So first definition of straight line. So what is a straight line? That which is the simplest locus in a plane is a line. Slope of a segment joining any 2 points on this locus is always constant. What is the meaning of this? That what straight line means, on the straight line slope of any 2 points is always constant, which is called as a straight line. Now intercept of a line. If a line intersect at x-axis, which is called as a x-intercept. If line intersect y-axis, which is called as a y-intercept. So 0, B is a y-intercept, A is a x-intercept. Now slope of line. So we can find slope of line in two ways. If you are given points A x1 y1, B x2 y2, then slope which is equal to y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. Again we can find slope in another way. Slope is equal to tan theta, where theta is the inclination of a line. If you are given inclination angle, then you can find slope using inclination angle tan theta. Suppose if inclination is 30 degree, so tan m is equal to tan 30 degree 1 upon root 2, which is the slope of the respected line. Perpendicular lines. Two lines are perpendicular. Their product of slope which is equal to minus 1, m1 into m2 which is equal to minus 1, where m1 and m2 are the slopes of lines. Okay. Now angle between the lines, tan theta is equal to mod of m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 into m2. So this is the formula for angle. अगर हमें angle find करना है तो we need a slope of two lines, m1 and 2. m1 is the slope of first line, m2 is the slope of second line. Now we can see the examples depends on this. See the example. Find the slope of line passing through the point a2 comma minus 1 b4 comma 3. We have seen the formula for slope. M is equal to y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. This x1 y1, x2 y2. So y2 which is equal to 3 minus minus 1, 4 minus 2. So which is equal to 4 by 2, which is equal to 2. So in this way we can find the slope. If we are given coordinates of 2 points, then we can find easily slope by using this y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. We can find slope in another way if you are given inclination. So second example we will base on this. Find the slope of line whose inclination is pi by 4. We know that another formula for slope, m is equal to tan theta, where theta is inclination. So what is the amount of inclination? That is a pi by 4. Tan pi by 4 we know, tan pi by 4 is equal to 1. Yeah. Next example. Find the acute angle between the x-axis and the line joining the points A 3 minus 1, B 4 comma minus 2. Slope of AB. Y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. Y2 which is equal to minus 2, minus of minus 1, 4 minus 3. Minus 2 plus 1 minus 1, minus 1 upon 1 which is equal to minus 1. But the slope is equal to tan theta. Another formula for slope which is equal to tan theta. Minus 1 is equal to tan theta. Minus 1 which is equal to tan of 180 minus 45 degree. 180 minus, because we know that in the second quadrant tan is a negative. Therefore tan of 180 minus 45 minus 1 is equal to tan 135. So theta is equal to 135 degree. Now angle between x-axis and the line joining. So alpha plus theta is equal to 180 degree. Alpha plus 135 which is equal to 180 degree. Alpha is equal to 45. So in this way we can find angle alpha is equal to 45 degree.